How to fix Hulu Cannot Cast to your TV. Let's get started. So, for that, first of all, make sure that your TV has Chromecast built in or is connected to a compatible casting device like Chromecast, Roku, or Fire TV. Next, check that both of your TV and phone are connected to a same Wi-Fi network, and then restart both devices and then try casting again. If the issue continues, you can update Hulu application on your mobile and your TV or streaming device. Also, make sure that your TV or casting device running the latest software. You should even check your phone's app permission to make sure Hulu has permission to cast. And if you're using a VPN, disconnect it, as sometimes it can interfere with casting. Also, make sure firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the connection. And finally, you can uninstall the Hulu application and then reinstall it again. And if nothing works, you can contact Hulu support for further assistance. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.